Hello and welcome to the English News Bulletin of Indian News. I am Yashovardhan Umak, your news presenter. The truth is our priority. We give justice to your curiosity. The latest news spotted only here on Indian News, giving you the latest and most credible news for today. Let's see today's headlines. Important meeting of Bhupesh Baghel cabinet held at Raipur. Online fraud with the MLA's son. Jet Airways founder Naresh Goyal was arrested by ED last night. Coconut Day celebrated at Indo-IT School on Saturday. So coming back to the news, many important decisions were taken in the CM Bhupesh Baghel's cabinet meeting in Raipur on Sunday. Cabinet Minister Mohammad Akbar, while giving the information, said that the names of 6,99,439 people were on the waiting list under PM Awas Yojana Gramin, for whom it has been decided to approve the accommodation. Minister Mohammad Akbar said that those whose names were not on the 2011 eligibility list will now also be given the benefit of the scheme. For the eligibility will be decided on the basis of a survey under the Chief Minister Rural Justice Scheme. The entire amount for house construction will be given by the state government. An hour of heavy rain has exposed the Bhilai Municipal Corporation. The entire ward number 50 near Kursi Park, Sri Ram Chowk was inundated. People's houses were filled with rainwater. This is the condition of the area where both the deputy chairman of the corporation and the MLA representative live here. Due to the drain not being cleaned, all the rainwater filled the roads and people's houses. People in the area say that this problem has been going on for years. The corporator and mayor of this place were demanded several times to make a drain, but no one paid attention to this. Road after water enters the houses. Due to this, the children were falling ill. People say that when votes has to be taken, all the leaders go door to door, but even after calling, they don't even come to see the problem of the people. A case of online fraud has come to light from Devraj Singh, son of MLA Saurabh Singh in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. The MLA son placed an order with an online shopping company to buy shoes worth rupees 33,000, but instead of shoes in the box, a lady's sandals were found, which the company refused to return. Then they complained about the matter to the police. Police have registered a cheating case against the company. Case Sakri police station belongs to the area. Nawagad area resident reached Congress headquarters Rajiv Bhavan on Sunday and started protesting against the nomination of Guru Rudra Kumar from Nawagad Assembly constituency. In fact, the people protesting after reaching Rajiv Bhavan say that they have received information through social media and other news that Guru Rudra Kumar is being made the candidate from the Nawagad Assembly constituency in the upcoming assembly elections, which he is opposing. I received the information that Guru Rudra Kumar was the candidate from the area. Many Congress workers are leaving the party in disappear and joining other parties. Besides these, there is a dissatisfaction among the OBC, general and the tribal classes as well. Due to this, we oppose making Guru Rudra Kumar a candidate from the Nawagad Assembly seat. The protesting people met PCC Chief Deepak Baij and also give detailed information about the situation.
नवागढ़ में है हमारी गुंडियाल सी बंजारी जी, हम उसी को पुनः वहाँ फिर देखना चाह रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं है, दूसरा कोई कुछ नहीं वहाँ से।
आप इतनी भीड़ लेके आए हैं, सब कुछ है।
भीड़ लेके नहीं आए भाई, भीड़ अपने मन से आए हैं सब।
तो आप लोग विरोध क्यों कर रहे हैं उनका? क्या कारण है?
नहीं विरोध नहीं, हम अपना विधायक को चाह रहे हैं वहाँ से। विरोध नहीं है, गुरुजी वहाँ से जीते, जहाँ चुनाव लड़ा था वहाँ से। इस बार वो 1 लाख वोट से चुनाव जीते, हम ऊपर वाले से कामना करते हैं उसके लिए, उसमें कोई बात नहीं।
अभी प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी से आपने मुलाकात की, उन्होंने क्या आश्वासन दिया?
प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी अपना निर्णय जो भी है सुनाए हैं उसको, अब देखते हैं उसके क्या निर्णय करते हैं प्रदेश अध्यक्ष। वहाँ तो आश्वासन मिला है, वैसे मुस्कुराते हुए गए हैं यहाँ से, मुस्कुराते हुए गए हैं, तो मुस्कुराहट का तो अंतर आप समझते हो।
आश्वासन पूरा नहीं हुआ तो क्या करेंगे आप?
अब आश्वासन पूरा नहीं होगा तो देखो, फिर अब सबको हम समझा नहीं सकते, परिणाम आगे पीछे भी हो सकता है, वहाँ कोई गारंटी नहीं है इसकी।
In Bhilai, a speeding trailer rammed a woman and a youth on Raipur Bhilai National 56. People present at the time of the accident informed the Kursipar police about the matter. On information, the police got both of them admitted to Lal Bahadur Shastri Hospital, where the doctor declared the injured youth dead. The name of the deceased is being told as Ganga Sagar. Due to the condition of the injured woman being critical, she was referred to District Hospital Durg, where her treatment is going on. The police have arrested the accused trailer driver Komal Verma.
आज कुर्सीपार थाना क्षेत्र अंतर्गत एक हाईवे पर एक हाईवा की चपेट में एक स्त्री और पुरुष आ गए, जिसमें से पुरुष की तत्काल घटनास्थल पर ही मृत्यु हो गई है। गाड़ी और चालक को हिरासत में ले लिया गया।
Many important decisions were taken in the Bhupesh Baghel's cabinet meeting in Raipur on Sunday. 6,99,439 people names were on the waiting list under PM Awas Yojana Gramin, for whom it has been decided to approve housing. Minister Mohammad Akbar said that those whose names were not on the eligibility list of 2011 eligibility list, they too will now be the benefit of the scheme. For this, eligibility will be decided on the basis of a survey under the Mukhyamantri Gramin Nyay Yojana. Of the entire amount of housing construction will be given by the state government. In the budget for the year 23 and 24, the state government has made a budget province of 100 crore for the scheme. Minister Mohammad Akbar said that it has been decided to abolish the stipend for direct recruits in government job, as well as the proposal for admit in the supply system of domestic or foreign liquor in sealed bottles for the remaining period of 2023 and 24, which has been approved.
सबसे पहले तो प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण जो वेटिंग लिस्ट था, उस वेटिंग लिस्ट के लिए 6,99,439 पात्र लोग जो थे जिनका वेटिंग लिस्ट था, उसके लिए राशि जारी करने का फैसला हो गया है। तो अब इसके बाद जो वेटिंग लिस्ट है वो समाप्त हो जाएगी। जो ऐसे परिवार जो 2011 के सर्वे सूची में पात्रता में जिनका नाम नहीं था, ऐसे लोगों के लिए राज्य सरकार ने, जिनको आवास की ज़रूरत है और पात्रता सूची में नाम नहीं है, तो 1 अप्रैल 2023 से उसका सर्वे का काम करवाया था। उसमें जो संख्या सामने आई थी वो है 47,090। तो ये जो 2011 के सर्वे सूची में नाम नहीं होने के कारण जो पात्र लोग हैं 47,090, इनको भी आवास की सुविधा देने के संबंध में निर्णय हुआ है और बजट में 100 करोड़ का प्रावधान भी किया गया है। उसके बाद राजू युवा मितान का जो आज कार्यक्रम था, तो वहाँ के सम्मेलन में शासकीय अधिकारी कर्मचारी जो सीधी भर्ती से आए थे, उनके वेतनमान में 70, 80 और 90% स्टाइपेंड के रूप में दिया जाता था। उस प्रक्रिया को समाप्त करके अब न्यूनतम वेतन उनको दिया जाएगा, स्टाइपेंड नहीं रहेगा, सीधे वेतन होगा।
Now it's time for the quick break. Keep watching Indian News.
हाय स्नेहा, क्या बात है, आजकल नजर ही नहीं आती।
क्या बताऊं, मेरा तो पूरा समय बच्चे के पीछे ही निकल जाता है, पर तू बड़ी रिलैक्स दिखती रहती है, बात क्या है?
वो तो रहूंगी ही ना। मैंने एक स्मार्ट डिसीजन जो ले लिया है, अपने बच्चे को इंडो IT स्कूल के बोर्डिंग में एडमिशन दिलाकर।
ऐसा क्या है वहाँ जो तू इतनी रिलैक्स रहती है?
अरे मेरा बेटा मॉर्निंग 7 to 5 तो वहीं बिजी रहता है। सबसे अच्छी बात, वहाँ का एजुकेशन और रिजल्ट दोनों ही शानदार है। हाइजीनिक ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, ये सब डाइटिशियन की देखरेख में करता है। तुझे पता है, वो बच्चों का ध्यान बिल्कुल स्मार्ट पेरेंटिंग की तरह ही रखती है। और तो और शाम को ऑफिस से आने के बाद भी कोई टेंशन नहीं, शाम को नाश्ता वहीं से करके आता है। दूसरी बात, वहाँ खेलकूद, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के क्लासेस एंड अदर एक्टिविटीज का भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है, जिससे बच्चे फिजिकली और मेंटली बिल्कुल फिट रहते हैं। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, बच्चों के अच्छे रिजल्ट्स के लिए कैंपस में ही ट्यूशन क्लासेस अरेंज की गई हैं, इसलिए तो मैं बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रहती हूँ।
मीन्स होम अवे फ्रॉम होम।
हाँ, इसलिए तो मैं भी तुझे कहती हूँ, बी स्मार्ट एंड टेक द राइट डिसीजन फॉर योर किड।
आखिर ये इंडो IT स्कूल है कहाँ?
इंडो IT स्कूल, कुरुद रोड, कोका भिलाई। फोन 9303561235।
पूरे भारत में कहीं भी कभी भी सबसे कम किराए पर बुक करें वन वे टैक्सी rahultravels.com पर।
Looking for a reliable online shopping site? Welcome to walkhart.com. We offer the best quality products at the lowest price with easy and fast delivery options. Search, discover, and choose from a wide selection of lifestyle essentials such as home decoration, garden decoration, hotel decoration, fountains, donation boxes, school products, kids corner, sports, tent decoration, wide range of cricket bowling machines, and many more. We combine innovation and tradition to give you the best in the market. Interior designers may contact to be our privileged customer on 74005. 74005.
जो रोजगार दिलाए। कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर, मोबाइल सर्विसिंग कोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल कोर्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कोर्स, रेफ्रिजरेशन, एयर कंडीशनिंग कोर्स, छात्रावास की सुविधा। इंदु टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट, टी मार्केट पावर हाउस, जिला दुर्ग, छत्तीसगढ़। मोबाइल नंबर 9827194279, 74156741157। ये है इंदु ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज, हर पल, हर क्षण, हर सच।
Coming from the break, welcome again. Let's get back to the news. Presenting an example of honesty and humanity, the employee of Amarpatan Community Health have written 1,90,000 rupee to a youth injured in the accident and have become the subject of discussion among the people. The entire incident took place on the national highway of Amarpatan, where on Sunday morning a speeding unknown vehicle hit a young man riding a motorcycle, Praveen Kumar Shukla, who was going towards Riva, due to which the young man was seriously injured, who was brought to Community Health Amarpatan for treatment with the help of 108 ambulance service, where ward boy Abdul Kalam saw a bag hanging on the shoulder of the injured. When he took out and opened the bag, it contained cash. Ward boy Abdul Kalam informed about this and gave it to senior officers and doctors. Senior officials kept the amount with Abdul Kalam and informed the relatives. When the relatives reached, this ward boy handed over the amount of rupees 1,90,000 to the relative of the injured. Seems to appreciate.
पैसा खोल के दिखा दिया।
हमें कहे ने पैसा निकाल के गिना और फिर पैसा गरीब के एक ये रखा है तुम्हारा और हम नहीं जाने कुछ।
गिन लो अपना पैसा, गिनना हो तो गिन लीजिए। नहीं पता ही था है ना, करो नहीं वाला
ये और है, ये नहीं निकाले तो कहा हाँ ये पूरा
सब गिना है।
समझे ना,
बता देना।
Before the election, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh have given a gift to the students preparing for PSC. Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has taken an important decision in the cabinet meeting to conduct the interview after the pre and mains examination. Now the interview will be of 100 marks. Many important decisions were approved in the cabinet meeting. The students of the state will be interviewed for 100 marks instead of 150 marks after the pre and mains examination in the PSC examination. This decision was taken by the cabinet on Saturday evening along with Gaya, and all the members of the cabinet, including Deputy CM T.S. Singhdev, were present in the meeting chaired by CM Bhupesh Baghel. In an important decision taken in the cabinet meeting to provide permanent houses to the homeless and Kacha room families, approval of houses was given to all the remaining 6,99,439 eligible families included in the permanent waiting list under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, as well as social. Those families who were deprived of inclusion in the survey list of the Economic and Caste Census 2011 are houseless, and their names are not included in the survey list of 2011. 100% of the amount for the Mukhyamantri Gramin Nyaya Yojana will be given by the state government for the housing construction. In the budget for the year 2023 to 2024, the state government has made a budget provision of rupees 100 crore for this scheme. The Council of Ministers decided to put a hold on the recovery of third and fourth annual increments given to staff nurses with diplomas and degree until further order. Self-help group and primary cooperative societies affiliated with Gothans under the Godhan Nyaya Yojana will be given compost. It was decided to provide incentive for or sales. Jan Ashirwad Yatra will start on Sunday under the chief hospitality of Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda. Jan Ashirwad Yatra will start from Michukurin village in Chitrakoot, the holy place of Lord Rama, on Sunday. Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda and Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, along with the Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Virendra Kathik and Prahlad Patel will also be involved. The first yatra has been taken to Vidya Bundelkhanda, where the yatra will cover 11 districts and 48 assembly constituencies. This yatra will conclude in the land of the Ramraj government in Niwari district. For the last 11 days, the agitation of the officers and employees of the health department is getting fierce. 40,000 doctors, officers and employees of the health department of the state are on strike for the 5-point demands. For the last 10 days, the officers and employees of the health department of the entire state have held a date regarding their 5-point demands. These striking workers have also been suspended despite not seeing any let up in the strike. The protesting health workers say that when they go to the government with their legitimate demands, the government gives them gift of dismissals, FIR and jail, due to which the angry agitators are busy intensifying their movement. In such a situation, it has to be seen whether the state government fulfills the duties of the officer and employees of the health department. Allegations of the bank scam. Jet Airways founder Naresh Goyal was arrested last night. Naresh Goyal is accused of a bank scam of rupees 538 crore. Enforcement Directorate ED has arrested Jet Airways founder Naresh Goyal in a money laundering case. Naresh Goyal, founder of Jet Airways, accused of a bank scam of rupees 538 crore. Canara Bank had given a credit limit and a loan of rupees 848.86 crore in Jet Airways, out of which rupees 538.62 crore is outstanding, after which Goyal was declared fraud on July 29, 2021. This complaint was made to the ED, on which ED was called several times for questioning, but Naresh Goyal did not come, who was arrested late on Friday night and presented the PMLA court of Mumbai. Additional SP KP Singh, posted in the 1st Battalion of Durg, was bitten by a snake in his own car last night, whose treatment has started in the district hospital, are currently out of danger. The incident took place in Bhilai Talpuri when additional SP KP Singh was going for duty in Durg Battalion at 8 PM. As soon as he sat in the car, his leg was bitten by a snake. He immediately got out of the car, looked in the light, and he saw that blood was coming out of his leg and there was 2 teeth marks. He was immediately taken to the district hospital in another vehicle. As soon as he reached here, the doctor admitted him to the hospital and gave him a dose of anti-snake venom. Since then, KP Singh's health has been fine. His treatment continues. The doctor have kept him under observation. At present, he is out of danger. Coconut Day was celebrated with the great pomp at Hindu IT School Bhilai on Saturday. On this day, many importance of the coconut was told to the children. On the Coconut Day, little children of Hindu IT School underlined its importance by wearing coconut costumes and attire. During this, wing in charge Shimpi and teachers enumerated the benefits of eating coconut and drinking coconut water to the children from nursery to class 2. Class 1 children read poems related to the coconut. On this occasion, children of pre-primary wing also did project work through thumb printing and various other activities.
I am coconut, coconut, coconut. बाहर से हूँ मैं सख्त सख्त, अंदर मुझे खाने में लगता वक्त वक्त, अंदर से हूँ मैं सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट. I am coconut, coconut, coconut. भूख लगे तो ईट, प्यास लगे तो ड्रिंक. भगवान को करते हैं सब ऑफर पूजा के सामान का. मैं हूँ टॉपर, चलो बहुत हुई मेरी बढ़ाई, चलो बाय बाय अब करो पढ़ाई. थैंक यू. माय नेम इज सुजीत कुमार प्रसाद. आज पान कटोरी में मीठा जल छुपके से भर जाता है। कौन नारियल के पेड़ों पर चाबी पकड़ रहता है? पान कटोरी में मीठा जल छुपके से।
That's all for today. Keep watching Indian News. Thank you and have a great day.
ये है इंदू ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज, हर पल, हर क्षण, हर सच।